So we have 120 centimeter cube of hydrogen were sparkled with 60 centimeter cube of oxygen at 110 degrees C. What was the temperature of steam? It should be steam produced. The equation for reaction is 2H2. So it's a balanced chemical equation plus O2 to give 2H2O. So the equation is balanced. 4 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen, 2 oxygen, 2 oxygen. So it's balanced. So now according to the question, 120 centimeter cube of hydrogen were sparkled with 60 centimeter cube of oxygen. What was the volume of steam produced? That is the volume here produced. Normally we can use the ratio. This is 120 to 60. That is 2:1. But you have to know which one will be the limiting reactant here. That is, in this reaction, which one will finish first. The one that will finish first will determine what you are going to produce here. Remember, if you are producing anything, maybe you want to cook rice. If salt should finish, then salt will determine how many rice you can package. So anything that will finish first and stop the production is your limiting reactant. So which one is going to finish first? Is it hydrogen or oxygen? Because it's the one that will determine our products. So now you need to change these volumes to mole to know which one will finish first. So let's change 120 centimeter cube to mole. So divided by 1 times, so let's say 120 centimeter cube of hydrogen. So we want to change it to moles of hydrogen over 1 times. So remember that 1 mole of anything is equals to 22400 centimeter cube of that thing. So centimeter cube of hydrogen will cancel out. So what I have here is 120 divided by 22400. So divide. So you should get 120 divided by 22400. So that should give you 0.00536 approximately. So mole of O2, mole of hydrogen. I'm doing this one. 536. Now what of oxygen? 60 centimeter cube of O2 over 1 times 1 mole of oxygen gas will give us 22400 centimeter cube of oxygen gas. So this will cancel out. Now 60 divided by 22400. So that will be 0.00268. So moles of oxygen. So that means this is 0.00536 mole of, that is mole of hydrogen gas, while for oxygen is 0.00268 mole for oxygen. So now to know which one will finish first, so you divide by the coefficient. The coefficient of hydrogen here is 2, so this is divided by 2. Y for oxygen here is 1. This is divided by 1. So this will give us 0.00536 divided by 2. So that is 0.00268. Yeah. Also, this one is also 0.00268. So that means the two give us the same value. So that means anyone you use there will give you the same results. So hydrogen and oxygen will finish at the same time. So that means since they will finish at the same time, the two will give you the same products, anyone that finish. So let's confirm it. That means if it is hydrogen you use, that is how many 120 centimeter cube of hydrogen gas will give you how many centimeter cube of water. So let's do that. 120 centimeter cube of hydrogen gas over 1 times, so we know that here 2 moles of hydrogen will produce 2 moles of water. So yeah, so but how can we remove this centimeter cube? So I know that 1 mole of hydrogen 1 mole of hydrogen gas will give us 22400 centimeter cube of hydrogen gas times, so from this reaction we switch it to water. So we know that 1 mole 2 moles of water, as in 2 moles of water will give us 2 moles of hydrogen. So 2 moles of water will give us 2 moles of hydrogen gas. So all these units cancel. So this is mole of hydrogen, but we need the volume. So I have to do one more times. So 1 mole of anything, so 1 mole of water will give 22400 centimeter cube of water, H2O there. So now mole of water, we cancel mole of water. So everything I have here is 120 times 1 times 2 times 22400. That is 120 times 1 times 2 times 22400 divided by 1 times 22400 times 2 times 1. So this cancel out. So the final answer is 120. So that is 120 centimeter cube of water. That means 120 centimeter cube of hydrogen gas will give 120 centimeter cube of water. So if it is oxygen you use, since the two will finish first, so anyone you use should give you 120. So if it is 60 you still use, you should still get 120. So let's use the 60, that is for oxygen. So 60 centimeter cube of oxygen gas over 1 times 1 mole of oxygen gas will give us 22400 centimeter cube of oxygen gas times, switch now because we need oxygen and water. So 1 mole of oxygen will give 2 moles of water. So that means 1 mole of oxygen will give 2 moles of water. So mole of oxygen will cancel out. So now the last one is 1 mole of water will give 22400 centimeter cube of water. So mole of water will cancel out. So what I have here is 60 times 1 times 2 times 22400 over centimeter cube of water. That is 60 times 1 times 2 times this, all the up one, divided by 1 times 22400 times 1 times 1 divided by the down one. So 1 times 22400 times 1 times 1. So 22400 cancel out. So we have 60 times 1 times 2, that is 120. So that is 120 centimeter cube of. Do you see that any one I use, I will still get 160 because they give me the same result here, meaning both will finish at the same time. So anyone you use will give you. So I use hydrogen, I still get 120. So I use oxygen, I'll still get 120. So that means according to the question, the volume of steam produced is 120 centimeter cube. So the correct option is D, like that. So remember, the method I use is to do it like source from beginning, like the source. So that is why it's like this. So you have to understand concepts. So 120 centimeter cube is correct.